Welcome back, Acadiana. We're still tracking Tropical Storm Helene and another disturbance out in open waters. At least an 80% chance of forming the next 7 days, but 40% chance in forming in the next 2 days. So we're likely to get a tropical depression out that system. But let's head over to the green screen and get a bigger overview of Tropical Storm Helene, that is just south of Cuba. And right now it has sustained winds of 60 miles per hour, and it is continuing its track towards the west-northwest at 10 miles per hour. But it is likely to become a Category 1 hurricane tomorrow morning, and it does stay that way for most of Wednesday before upgrading to a Category 2 hurricane for Thursday morning. Now, right before landfall, it does rapidly intensify into at least a Category 3 hurricane around Florida's Big Bend, about 120 miles per hour for Thursday evening. So that's where we'll have that landfall, mostly for the latter part of Thursday coming up. But it does go up the state of Georgia, bringing in heavy rainfall, gusty winds, even far out of that cone for areas of Alabama and South Carolina. Now, it is multiple tropical storm watches and warnings, hurricane watches and warnings for most of the state of Florida, even far north into Georgia. It's multiple tropical storm watches there, even hurricane watches for South Georgia. So things will be turning very active here in the next several days, and not to mention storm surge, at least over 9 feet for most of the west coast of Florida there, even far south into Key West, between 3 to 5 feet of storm surge. And you already know the Florida Big Bend area was already hit by Hurricane Debbie. That was early August, and I'm sure it's still some improvements that will be made there, and with this next system that will put a damper on those improvements. But aside from the strong winds, heavy rainfall will be a big issue for most of the southeast. It is a 3 out of 4 for heavy rainfall for most of Georgia, even far north into North Carolina and South Carolina coming up for Thursday. And aside from the rainfall, gusty winds or strong hurricane force winds through the state of Florida, even tropical storm force winds further north into Georgia and South Carolina coming up for the end of this week. So here's that water vapor and upper level winds map. Tropical storm Helene just south in between Mexico and Cuba. High pressure off towards the east, but that will continue to push further into the Atlantic. And back here in Louisiana, we still are dealing with some high levels of moisture. But with a incoming cold front, they'll drop the dew points into the 50s for a short time. So we'll have nicer conditions arriving for the end of the week. And dew points do stay at bay in the upper 50s to mid 60s coming up. So pair that with nice temperatures. We are in for a very dry and sunny end to the week. But rain chances, they'll be at its highest for tomorrow, up to 30%. And after that, staying pretty dry. We do have a few days where rain chances reach 10%, but even then, still very dry ahead for this weekend. But we do remain dry for the rest of tonight. But of course, with that incoming cold front, we'll start to see rain chances increase, especially during the afternoon hours here in Acadiana. It does become very scattered, does lose that punch. So we won't see much in the way of rainfall for all of Acadiana, but we can expect a pretty dry night ahead for today. Partly cloudy with humid and warm temperatures and humid conditions. We do it all again for tomorrow with patchy fall early in the morning to at least a few showers coming through during the latter part of Wednesday. But as far as Thursday is concerned, sunny skies across the board, mostly sunny by Friday. And for this weekend, dry and pleasant conditions with rain chances staying below 10% for the rest of the week. But check out those temperatures, very nice in the upper 80s, and overnight temperatures are even nicer in the low 60s. Stay tuned, we'll have another look at this 10-day forecast coming up.